Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on power saving functions on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings option down below, which is the last option. Now you should scroll down till you find this power saving section and click on it. Here you should tap on these buttons if you want to turn on any of these functions, such as keep screen on, disable altitude lookup, sync photos on cellular, better location accuracy when plugged in. If you want to turn off any of these, just simply click on the relevant ones. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.